Today, we're diving into the coolest woodworking tools that make every project easier and more precise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend DIYer, these tools will save you time and effort. From measuring to cutting, each one is designed for flawless results. Stick around until the end to see a must-have tool for your workshop. Grizzly Benchtop Jointer. You might be thinking a benchtop jointer must be limited, right? Well, the Grizzly G0947 8-inch benchtop jointer is here to challenge that thought. Unlike typical 6-inch machines, this one offers an impressive 8-inch cut capacity, giving you the same size you'll find in many floor models. It also comes equipped with a spiral-type cutter head. This cutter head has razor-sharp, indexable inserts that leave a mirror-like finish and are quieter compared to traditional straight knives. A bonus? The smaller chips it produces mean better dust collection. But power is where this machine truly shines. With a 1.5 horsepower motor, it cuts through wood like a champ. For longer materials, the extension bars take the table from 34 inches to 52 inches, giving you plenty of room to work. It even comes with easy-to-use depth adjustments and a strong dust system. Compact yet powerful, this jointer proves you don't need a massive machine for professional results. Pinnacle Tilt Hoist. Ever wished for an easier way to feed timber into your system? The Pinnacle Tilt Hoist could be just what you need. This tool automates the process, making feeding timber for further processing effortless. It's a practical solution for continuous timber feed and can handle stacks up to 3 meters long, 1.2 meters wide, and 1.2 meters high. The design is modular, so if you have larger or smaller stacks, it can easily adapt. With a bundle mass of 2,100 kilograms and powered by a 5.5 kilowatt actuator, this tilt hoist packs some serious power. The dimensions are compact enough for tight spaces, but its efficiency really sets it apart. You'll also appreciate the simplicity of integrating this into your existing line, making the whole operation smoother. Whether you need it for large-scale or smaller projects, the Pinnacle Tilt Hoist makes timber feeding seamless, freeing up your time for other tasks. Vevor Mini Table Saw. Imagine having a mini table saw that does more than just cut wood. The Vevor Mini Table Saw is designed with versatility in mind, allowing you to carve, grind, and polish with precision. It's equipped with an upgraded motor that has 7-level speed adjustments, letting you control the power based on your project. This mini saw cuts through metal, wood, plastic, and more, making it ideal for various DIY projects. One standout feature is its 0 to 90-degree angle cutting ability, giving you the flexibility to handle diverse angles with ease. Plus, it's portable, weighing just over 9 pounds, making it easy to carry or store. With a cutting depth of up to 1.3 inches, this table saw packs a lot of power in a small frame. It's a reliable tool for those who value precision and portability, perfect for hobbyists or small workshops needing a multifunctional solution. Lucky Way. Installing door locks just got a whole lot easier with the Lucky Way Door Lock Hole Opener Kit. If you're working on hotel doors, security doors, or need to modify existing locks, this kit has everything you need. It includes 3 tungsten steel cutters in different sizes, 18mm, 22mm, and 24mm, ensuring you can tackle various lock styles with precision. These cutters are known for their durability and superior performance compared to high-speed steel options. The tool's vertical guides come with adjustable height and depth stops, ensuring smooth operation without overcutting. It's also equipped with a ruler and woodworking chisel for more detailed work. A key upgrade? An industrial-grade linear bearing, improving both cutting speed and precision. Compact and easy to carry, this opener kit also comes in a large toolbox, keeping all your tools neatly stored and ready for action. Milwaukee M18 Orbital Sheet Sander. Milwaukee has done it again with the M18 Orbital 1/4 sheet sander, specifically built for pros who need power without sacrificing comfort. This sander offers unmatched performance at a maximum of 13,000 OPM, all while keeping vibrations low to reduce fatigue during long projects. You'll love how easy it is to switch out sandpaper thanks to its 2-step clamp system. Need different speeds for different materials? The variable speed dial allows you to adjust from 11,000 to 13,000 OPM, giving you total control over the finish. Plus, its dust collection system is top-notch, paired with a durable dust bag or a universal hose adapter to minimize cleanup. No more cords to trip over. This cordless tool keeps your workspace free and makes your job much easier. The M18 Orbital Sheet. Sander delivers the precision, comfort, and speed you need to power through sanding jobs like a pro. Gessom Mite RXL, introducing the Gessom Mite RXL Devo, a miter gauge that takes precision cutting to the next level. With 9 miter detents and a spring-loaded pin, it locks in on all the common angles you'd need, ensuring clean and accurate cuts every time. The 20-inch front fence can be extended to 36 inches, giving you plenty of room to handle larger projects. Plus, the adjustable flip stop fits sacrificial fences up to 3/4 of an inch thick, adding even more versatility. And those patented snugger pucks, they keep the gauge fitting perfectly in the miter slot, leaving no room for wobble. Crafted from top-notch materials, including custom-rolled steel from England, this tool is built for both precision and durability. Whether you're working on complex miter joints or simple cuts, this miter gauge is a reliable choice. Woodpeckers Micro Square. Ever struggled to fit a regular square into tight spots? That's where the Woodpeckers Micro Square excels. Designed to navigate the narrow spaces in joinery, these micro squares are all about detail and precision. With 2 blades, one 1-inch wide and the other 1/4 inch, they're perfect for checking tiny dovetail sockets or the walls of mortises. Despite their small size, they're equally handy for general tasks like checking edges and adjusting machinery. The best part? They're portable. These micro squares fit easily into your apron or pocket, so you'll always have them on hand. Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS? Tired of flimsy measuring tapes? The Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS is about to become an essential tool in your workshop. This sturdy bench rule is more than just a measuring tool. It helps with repetitive markings effortlessly thanks to its built-in sliding stop. Available in stainless steel or red anodized aluminum, both options are built for durability and feature laser-engraved markings that are easy to read, even in low-light conditions. It comes in sizes ranging from 12 to 36 inches and offers both imperial and metric measurements for versatility. You can also stand it on edge to improve marking precision and use it as a height gauge for tool adjustments. The built-in stop transforms this rule into an instant marking gauge, making it perfect for large-scale layout projects. If you're serious about improving accuracy and efficiency, this bench rule deserves a spot in your workshop. Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. Installing doors can be a challenge, but the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus makes it quick and easy. This complete mortising kit is designed for both professionals and DIYers, ensuring accurate hinge placements without the hassle. The self-clamping design eliminates the need for screws or nails, keeping your doors protected from damage. It's compatible with standard door sizes from 1/3 inches to 1/3 inches thick. With this jig, you can route hinge mortises with precision, accommodating hinges from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches. Need to install strike plates or latch plates? No problem. Pre-made templates are included. It even features built-in depth settings and comes with a pin doctor tool to help remove old doors. Whether you're installing a new door or refurbishing an old one, the Hinge Jig Plus ensures you get the job done accurately and efficiently. Bora Tool Quick Cut. For framing and deck building, precision cuts are crucial, and that's where the Bora Tool Quick Cut comes in. This simple yet highly effective tool makes cutting at the 4 most common angles: 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, fast and accurate. With its 14-inch aluminum guide rail, your saw will glide smoothly, delivering straight, clean cuts every time. An imprinted ruler ensures precise measurements, whether you're working in imperial or metric units. The comfortable grip and 5-inch cutting marker make it user-friendly, even for tough projects. Whether you're cutting 2x4s or handling larger boards, this tool removes the guesswork from angled cuts. The Bora Quick Cut is the perfect cutting guide for anyone looking to improve speed and accuracy in their DIY or professional projects. Which of these tools caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more woodworking tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.